Welcome to the Iyashi Affirmation 30-day series. This is Kozue from Healing Sanctuary, Japan. As we begin 2026 together, let's create a moment each day to return to calm, clarity, and your true self. Today is day 8, cleansing. Let us begin. Here is today's affirmation. My body and mind are cleansed, and my true essence begins to shine. Now, let's say it together. If speaking out loud feels difficult, just listening is enough. Your body and nervous system will still receive the effect. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. As you breathe out, imagine everything that is not your true self softly melting away. We'll repeat the affirmation 3 times, once for your body, once for your heart, and once for your soul, so every part of you can fully receive it. My body and mind are cleansed, and my true essence begins to shine. My body and mind are cleansed, and my true essence begins to shine. My body and mind are cleansed, and my true essence begins to shine. In Shinto, a traditional Japanese belief system, it is believed that through daily life, through emotions, words, and various experiences, impurities quietly accumulate without our awareness. For this reason, cleansing hara-e has long been honored as a sacred practice carried out at shrines to release these impurities and restore a state of clear harmony. Yet the spirit of hara-e cleansing is not limited to shrines alone. It can also be practiced within everyday life. For example, when washing your hands or body, bring your awareness to the thought, through this water, my emotions and fatigue are being washed away. Through these small acts of hara-e cleansing, the radiance of your true essence begins to emerge. Now, one last time. Feel this affirmation come alive inside you. My body and mind are cleansed, and my true essence begins to shine. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you tomorrow for day 9, Compassion. May a gentle sense of the art of Japanese healing surround you.